Okay, guys, today is review day 4. What we're going to practice doing today is multiplying binomials and a binomial times a trinomial. This is when we use the box method. So, the first one, x plus 3 times x minus 4. What you do is, we're going to put x plus 3 on the top and x minus 4 on the side. You can put it the other way if you want. If you remember, we multiply to get in the box. So, x times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Once you multiply to get in the box, we combine our like terms to get out of the box. If you notice on the diagonal, just like tic-tac-toe, we are going to combine. Those are your like terms. So your x squared is by itself. Then you have negative 4x plus 3x gives you a negative 1x, which is x. And then you rewrite the negative 12. And this gives you your answer. And you're done. The next one, you might say, well, there's only one thing there, x minus 5, but it's x minus 5 squared. I know, anytime I have a squared, I rewrite the problem twice. Then I could make my box. I have x minus 5, and I have x minus 5. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. Well, x times x is x squared. X times negative 5, negative 5x. Negative 5 times x, again, negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 5 gives me positive 25. Once I'm done, I multiplied to get in the box. I'm going to combine my like terms. I'm going to play tic-tac-toe. They'll always be the same. So when I rewrite it, I'm going to be left with x squared. Negative 5 plus negative 5 gives me negative 10. Bring your x with you. And then I have a positive 25. And that gives me that answer. The next one is a little more difficult. But what I have is a binomial times a trinomial. So I'm going to put my x and my minus 3 here. And then my x squared, my 4x, and my negative 2 here. Now, when I multiply, x times x squared is x to the 3rd power. X times 4x is 4x squared. And x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Now I'll do my bottom row. Negative 3 times x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times 4x is negative 12x. And I have negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6. Now this might get messy, so what I'll do is I'll highlight my like terms. Here is a like term. And what I can do is highlight in another color. There is my other like term. Now, when I combine them, I'm left with x to the 3rd. I can write it here. Then I have negative 3x squared plus 4x squared gives me a 1x squared positive. Then I have negative 12x and negative 2x is a negative 14x. And then I have my positive 6. So this time, that's my answer. Now, you're going to do your review packet 1, and you're going to do numbers 25, 26, and 27. 27 is a little tricky, but I think you can do it.